So the Jamaican expression for today is I eat this.
I eat this.
What do you think I eat this
I
mean?
am that. No? No. Why Mama is laughing? She asked me a question, I answer her.
No, it means this is it.
Oh, this is it?
Yes.
Okay. So you're laughing at me.
How does that have anything to do with eating?
Eat, you say eat.
Oh, IT, not EAT.
I don't mind how it's well.
Oh my god.
You ask me a question, I answer you.
I didn't say eat, I said eat.
Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Don't.
Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. Honey.
Good morning.
Christ.
Christ. No.
Tyler.
Good morning, Mama.
You're telling me morning or you're telling the faves morning?
Oh, good morning, dear.
You're reading one of your book from the faves?
Mama, look where we are now.
Where you are.
Where the car is now.
You're funny.
Look where
And
the
Sarah
car
is
is
there in her
now.
car seat chilling.
Look where
at
the
us,
car
still
is
have the
now,
airport
Mama.
tags on the car seat. Yes, Tyler, read. I'll correct you while you're reading. You guys, my boy is reading at 4 years old. Can you guys imagine that? Crazy. He's so smart and he loves reading. Just now he said, Mama, I'm carrying my book with me in the car. So he's reading. Anyway, you guys, hope you guys are having a good day. We're back in the car. Back starting the vlogs in the car. I love this setting. I miss this setting. Tyler, I'm talking. When I finish, I'll talk to you when I'm finished. Anyway, you guys, so we are heading on the road to run a few errands. I take my wig off last night because girl, that thing was itching me. Boy, when you don't use to a thing, it's the first time wearing a lace front and it was itching out my daylight. And the minute I take it off, the minute I took it off, my head got USA. It was feeling back to normal. So right now we're on the road about to run some errands. I don't know if you guys remember watching a vlog before we left on vacation. We tested our new glasses that should have been ready from we were on vacation. So now that we're back, we're going to pick them up. So that is exciting. Your girl will be having a new look and your boy shall have a new look. Babe glasses is almost similar to the one that you have, but mine will be completely different. And we got sunglasses with medicated, that's medicated, and we got our test glasses. So we're gonna pick those up right now and then we're gonna run to the supermarket just to pick up a few things that we couldn't get at the supermarket that we usually go to, that we usually shop, that we did last night. But yeah, that's what we're on the road about to do right now. The kids are doing fine. Babe, tell them how tired you are.
We are tired.
Man,
We are tired. It's the first time since years that I wake up at
1 p.m.
1 p.m.
Ah,
1 p.m.
1 p.m.
Even Tyler wake up almost 11.
Yeah, we're still trying to recover from vacation, man. When you see we slept in until 1 p.m. that never happened.
And everybody slept like Tyler was sleeping.
No,
Even
but
Sarah was so nice.
Baby Sarah was so nice. Normally Tyler would wake the first thing 7 a.m. in the morning and come to her room. Tyler didn't wake
I believe it
until
was 7 when he called.
oh no, I believe so too. But then when I look at the clock and saw 11 something, I'm like, what? And babe got Tyler breakfast and we went right back to bed. We didn't get out of bed. We didn't get out of bed until after 1 p.m. So it's actually in the early evening, early afternoon right now. It's after 4, after 3.
No, 3. I think they didn't change time.
Yeah, it's after 3. I just look at my watch. So yeah, we are on the road and hopefully you guys are having a good day. enjoy the rest of today's vlog. Stay blessed, stay loved, stay motivated. I'm happy that I'm back in my zone so I can chit chat with you guys a bit. Yeah, so we are heading on the road right now, and we'll catch you guys on the road. Have a good day, shawty. Look at Tyler. I see you through here. I see your little face right here. And I'm taking off my nails today. Well, I'm gonna attempt to start taking them off today because your girl needs to knead dumpling. I need to knead my flour. Just in case I feel for dumpling or I feel for festival, I can't make flour with these. No, girl, vacation done. I tell you guys, it's only when I'm on vacation I put on nails, because I need to take care of my baby and hold her real good. And with nails, these nails, you have to always be careful. You can't play with her a certain way. You can't stick your finger down her mouth if something is there. Well, an emergency you would, but listen, I need to just take these nails off. So the wig's gone, and now it's time to get the nails off, get back in my comfort zone. The light on trees, my favorite time of year is here. This is new? It's always been here? Here? Go, look where you go. This babe sunglasses. Ooh, baby, yes. Yes. I love it. I love you. We chose the perfect one. Finally. We got our new glasses. Like that? Ravioli? Oh, that's the one him like. We can take a few of these things for Thai, like sometime even for lunch on the weekend.
Let's take ravioli.
Small tin.
Let's take ravioli.
You want ravioli? That's bio. Take the ravioli, not spaghetti. I can always cook spaghetti, but the ravioli is the... Not that one, not that one. Put back that one. Shoot, we left the bag in the car. No? It's under there?
This one, I take two like this?
Yes.
Oh,
Are not necessarily two of the same. You can take the ones that close. Look, see them have the one that closed. That one you have open. No? Or it just shows that way in the picture?
Just show that way in the picture.
Okay. Take another one.
This one is the supermarket.
You can try it. Supermarket brands always taste nice. Well, whichever you decide.
Half price.
Okay, take the supermarket. Yes, that's what we do in Thai.
those are not ravioli. Oh, those are ravioli.
Tyler, you're shouting, baby.
Those are ravioli. Those are ravioli. Those are not.
We're at the international section in the store, trying to pick up basmati rice and...
Mama, don't pick it up. I like it.
No. Basmati rice and red peas for me to cook rice and peas.
Mama, look what kind of fish
Tyler,
we can
you hear I
buy,
said to
Mama.
stop?
Mama?
Yes, child.
What kind of spaghetti we can buy, Mama?
Yes, child.
Mama, look.
Yeah, we have that at home.
We can buy
Tyler,
one.
leave it. Mercy. Red peas, I want red peas. Red peas. Put those under the stroller. New girl on the block. Ooh. Who this? Who this? Who this? Who this? You want the patty?
No, first thing first, we eat
No, the
pizza.
patty, then the pizza.
Yes, we are going to share the patty.
You guys, one dead patty remain. You can't believe it. We only have one. Ever since we got here, we've been eating 2 patty a day.
I've been eating, you should say, I've been eating 2 patty a day.
Mama,
Tyler just said he want patty for dinner.
And she was so sad. She was already thinking that out of the 12 patties, 8 should belong to her.
Of course, no. 11 and a half should belong to me.
We need to tell her that she no carry no baby anymore. She doesn't count for 2 anymore.
11 and a half supposed to belong to me and half she share between you and Tyler. You guys, we just got back from off the road. And we pick up a few things at this supermarket that we don't normally get at the other supermarket. Here, this light behind me, see?
Fifth.
Candy.
Excuse me, Fifth.
That's better.
Excuse me, Fifth.
Excuse me, Faith, you need to jump for Faith to show you. They see you, they don't see you. They see you, they don't see you.
Tyler said he want patty for dinner and we're
Yeah,
gonna do
we
this
are
pizza.
going to share the patty because we only have one.
You want to share it?
Yes,
Who you want to
with
share it?
Mama.
Oh,
Yeah.
thank you.
Yes, Mama.
Thank you.
So we got pizza. Tyler saw this. Tyler love ravioli and I can't make it from scratch. Well, I didn't try. I don't have time. So
It's not easy to do.
It's not.
And some pancakes.
Tyler love ravioli and he saw this, so we pick up some for him.
Pancakes.
And pancake and what else? What else you pick up? Show face. See the back there? What is this? Tyler, you know what is this?
Yes, tomato.
No. Look. It's tangerine.
Oh, tangerine.
Why you have up the coconut milk in Faith's face like that?
It's Grace. Thailand Grace, not Jamaican Grace.
No, it's coconut milk.
And of course it's Christmas time, so it's tangerine time.
Mama.
Peace for... What you gonna do with
Rice
that?
and peas.
Rice and peas.
But I'm not cooking any rice and peas until I go to Italy to buy my goat.
Oh.
So, yes. And I got some tangerine.
So we know what we're gonna do next weekend.
Next weekend I'm definitely going to Italy to get goat. You think I was joking when I say I'm going to Italy once a month to get goat? I ain't joking. Okay?
Why we only buy one bag
One bag of what?
of a food?
Of food?
Yes.
Because we went supermarket yesterday already. These are just extras we picked up. And I got minced beef.
No,
Because I realized I didn't pick up any yesterday.
no, that's red spaghetti. It looks like red spaghetti, Mama.
What?
That not look like red spaghetti. That look like red spaghetti.
No, it's not red spaghetti. It's mince. It's mince.
But it looks like red spaghetti.
Looks like, but it's not.
No. That one is new. You need to put the sugar in first and then mix it, put the milk in and then fry it, Mama.
Okay.
Hear me?
Okay.
But it's new, Mama. It's new. Okay.
One dead patty remain.
Enjoy it, you better enjoy it.
And we gonna eat it. We gonna share it.
Yeah.
So we gonna cut it
Yeah.
in 3,
Yeah.
So we're gonna take the end and give Tyler the middle.
Yeah. A little for me and big for Mama and Papa.
Yes. You want me to cut yours?
Yes, a little piece. Or medium piece, Mama. Little piece or medium piece. Okay, Mama?
Okay. And you want a fork?
Yes, fork.
Go and sit.
Want it, Papa?
You want me to cut one just to a second one?
Want it,
Second
Papa?
one, dear. One seat. Let me show you guys Sarah.
Let's hear you.
Hey yo!
Mama?
Hello!
Mama?
Hello!
Let's hear the fork, Mama.
Okay.
Let's hear the fork.
Watch her. She rolling now, so she's showing off. You're showing off. You're showing off. You're showing off.
You will do like that. You can taste mine, Mama.
Okay, go and sit. I'm gonna taste you. It's hot. It's hot. You want me to cut these again?
No.
Okay. eat
The
up.
medium.
Okay, sit. Babe going crazy over the pizza. Say what you just say again.
I say that looks nice. Look at that pizza when you have the cheese that's running out of the pizza. It's just running. Oh, that's the best. You know when you have cheese, it's not only the block of cheese, it's the cheese melting. Wow.
Yeah, real French.
When you eat the raclette, and it's,
When it's running and
when it's
melting.
running, that's what you're waiting for.
It's the best moment.
Oh, Tyler.
Tyler, leave it. No. Leave it. Get down.
Get down.
So that's
Don't
dinner.
get down.
No
You
cooking
got no
tonight.
pizza.
Din is ready.
Alright, so
You scare her. Yes, idiot. Yes, you guys.
I'm going to help you to do.
No, I'm gonna tell you what to do.
Okay.
We're going back to Jamaican expressions, and while we were in Jamaica, a few faves got us Jamaican expression book. This one is called Popular Jamaican Phrases, and we got 3 of these books. So it's a good way of teaching Tyler and Babe expressions, and also for me. So it's a good way for me to teach Tyler Jamaican expressions as we go along. So we're gonna jump back to the Jamaican expressions. You guys know that how our vlogs normally be. If you're new to our channel, we normally do Jamaican expressions at the end of our vlogs. So the Jamaican expression for today is I eat this.
I eat this.
I eat this.
I eat this.
Right. This is it. That's what it means in English. So
I eat this.
and it means this is it.
This is it.
This is it.
This is it.
Right. Say I saw you go on.
So you go on.
No. I saw you go on.
So you go on.
And this means so that's how you're going to act.
Oh.
So sometimes mama say, Tyler, so you go on. Simple means that's how you're going to act. Okay, so those are the Jamaican expressions for tonight. So say I eat this.
I eat this.
I saw you go on.
I saw you go on. I eat this. I saw you go on.
Right, there we go. Alright, tell faves night night.
Night night.
See you guys
tomorrow.
roll. And
Jamaican expression of the day is...
we did 2. So the Jamaican expression for today is I eat this.
I eat this.
What do you think I eat this
I
mean?
yam that. No? No. Why Mama is laughing? She asked me a question, answer her.
No, it means this is it.
Oh, this is it?
Yes.
Okay. So you're laughing at me.
How does that have anything to do with eating?
Eat, you say eat.
Oh, IT, not EAT.
I don't mind how it's right.
Oh my god.
You ask me a question, I answer you.
I didn't say eat, I said eat.
Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Mama said she didn't say eat, I said eat. Don't play with me. So,
Alright, the next one
I'm
is...
glad you're daddy's girl.
The next one is I saw you go on.
I saw you go on.
Yes, what do you think I saw you go on mean?
You say that. It's like, okay, this is it, like, this is how you act, this is how you behave, okay.
Oh,
Okay.
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 Good one.
Okay.
Yes, that is what it means. That's how you're gonna act. I saw you go on. Sometimes when I say, babe, so you're going so far. Means why you acting like that? Is that a fool? Alright, so the two Jamaican expressions is what? What were they?
That's how they are.
Tell me what they were now. I'll give you two just now.
They are and eat.
No, I eat this.
I eat this.
And I saw you go on.
I saw you go on.
You know what I asked Tyler just now? So tell me what the two are telling. He told me both of them. And you can't remember what they tell me. Alright, you guys.
But a big one.
So I eat this and I saw you go on. This is it and this is how you're gonna act. So that's how you're gonna act. What's the French expression for today?
J'ai la dalle.
J'ai la dalle.
Yeah, j'ai la dalle.
that mean?
That means I'm hungry. J'ai la dalle.
Yeah, I think about your damn God.
Yeah, man. J'ai la dalle.
J'ai la dalle. Okay.
Right.
J'ai la dalle and
Yeah, don't try that in your expression if you do French classes.
Alright, you guys. There you have the Jamaican and French expressions of today.
You get it?
And you get it?
I get it.
Make sure you get it.
Eat and aguan.
You obviously don't get it.
That's how it is.
Obviously, baby's trying to send me a message telling me that he's hungry. He better go eat snack. I guarantee you he's gonna eat 2 cookies before bed. Anyway,
Hey, Tyler had cookies today too.
yeah, he told me this one.
Yeah, and afternoon he got another one.
Why him to eat it? No,
No,
you.
I mean, if you see the packet empty, you know what I mean? That's what I mean.
Alright, you guys.
I
If you're
know I'm
new to
gonna
our
see the
channel,
packet
be
empty.
sure you subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up,
What's she
comment
gonna
down
say?
below.
Me?
Subscribe if you
You
are
want
new.
to-
Catch up and keep up with the bam. Catch up and keep up with the fam bam. We love you guys. And we'll see you guys
Tomorrow.
tomorrow.